Today's the day. Yes, today's the day. Okay, camera rolling. It's done. It's over. Finito. 3 months of tour is over. The reason I didn't post the vlog last week is because I poisoned my stomach. That's the result of a lot of stress while touring around the world. Anyway, I'm back home for 2 months straight, no shows, so I can focus on building my new bikes. Yeah, just enjoy being back home, practice new tricks, practice with some other riders. So a lot of exciting things coming up in next 2 months. Today is actually the day. Did I mention today is the day, right? Today is the day. Today is the day. We're gonna turn this brand new KTM 250 Duke into a stunt bike. But because I cannot tune alone, we have my master here, master designer, master engineer, master mechanic. Dennis is working on the computer and Natse gonna help me to start to tune the 250 Duke. Rock and roll.
Rock, what is the first step to make a stunt bike?
To make a stunt bike, take everything down what you don't need. Cool update on the new bike is the tank made out of steel, and the previous one was out of plastic. So that one will be much easier to tune and make a nice stunt seat so I can do the high chair tricks. Cannot wait to cut this tank. Wrenching makes hungry, so quick lunchtime with them boys. Guys, in the recent years I was riding with a front plate and I removed the front light. This year I'm thinking to leave the front light on the bike, or what do you say? Should I remove it or should I leave it on? Drop the comments below. The bike not so pissed himself. Actually the cooling water run out. It should be a clean job, but it's again a dirty job. Yes, we don't need that. So, goodbye. No need to see the speed, you need to feel the speed. 250 Duke is dismantled. We take all the parts down that we don't need.
Now bike is ready to do some measurements and develop some prototype stunt parts.
Right, and yeah, the time was flying faster than we thought, right?
Right.
So yeah, I need to go back to the practice spot and start there where I left 3 months ago. That means no hander time. I need to learn this trick. So let's go, Dominic, quick to the stunt spot and rock and roll. Damn no-handers, man. I still couldn't manage to learn them in the recent years, but I told to myself this is the year I want to learn it. So for the recent few months I'm focusing on my foot brake game, since I come from a scooter stunt riding where is no foot brake. Today I want to do one full circle with no hands before the sunset. So let's do it, Dominic.
Let's do it.
So close, so close. I have it, but it's getting dark. But we don't go home, man, until I have this damn no-hander. It's dark. I don't see nothing anymore. Enough of no-hander circles. I've been trying 2 hours. I got the circle, let's say 90%, almost one circle, almost. I will not give up. I'm gonna try, continue to try this week, next week, until I have it. Before we end this vlog, this bike gonna retire soon. It's my trusty KTM 200 Duke. It followed me around the world, around 4 continents, gave me the best memories of my life. I'm gonna say soon goodbye my KTM 200 Duke, but now enjoy my favorite memories. Great times, right? It's dark, as you can see. Time to pack up, go home. And if you want to see a lot of more crazy awesome stuff around the world with my KTM 200 Duke, check my Instagram account, link in description of the video. See you in the next RokON vlog. Until then, rock and roll.